alphabet. And sprocket. Choose an activity. Let's learn the letters and their sounds. Press a button. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A says A, as in ape. And A, as in apple. B says B, as in blimp. C says K, as in clam. And S, as in city. D says D, as in dress. E says E, as in eagle. And A, as in elk. F says F, as in frog. G says J, as in giant. And G, as in globe. H says H, as in hat. Keep it coming, we're all wound up. Press a button. I says I, as in ivy. And I, as in igloo. J says J, as in jam. K says K, as in king. L says ooh, as in lamp. M says as in milk. N says as in nest. O says as in ox. And O, as in ocean. P says P, as in prize. Keep it coming, we're all wound up. Q says Qu, as in queen. R says as in raft. S says as in swing. T says as in trunk. U says as in up. And U, as in used. V says as in vest. W says as in wand. X says X, as in X-ray. Y says as in yak. Z says as in zebra. Let's learn uppercase and lowercase letters. Match the uppercase and lowercase letters. Woohoo! That's electrifying! G. Match the uppercase and lowercase letters. You sprung a leak. Let's try that one again. Can you answer this question? I can. What about you? Match the uppercase and lowercase letters. Yeah, you're cranking now. N. Wow! Match the uppercase and lowercase letters. That answer doesn't compute. Try again. Can you answer this question? I can. What about you? Match the uppercase and lowercase letters. Uh-oh, short circuit.
Oops.
Are your gears stuck? Let us help. This is the right answer. U. Match the uppercase and lowercase letters. You're awesome! Gear up! Here's another. Do you know the answer? I know it. Do you? Way to be in sync. Woohoo! That's electrifying.
Let's learn alphabet order.
What letter comes before the letter D? I know the letter. Do you? C. Sweet! The letter C comes before the letter D.
Wow!
What letter comes before the letter K? I know the letter. Do you? J. You're awesome! The letter J comes before the letter K. Uh-oh, short circuit. Give it another try. Come on, you can do it. What letter comes after the letter A? I know the letter. Do you? B. You're awesome! The letter B comes after the letter A. Let's learn how to make words. Press a button. A. Pop. Ooh. Silent E. Apple. A. Pop. Silent E. Ape. Bl. I. Mp. Blimp. Cl. A. Clam. Dur. A. S. Dress. S. I. T. E. City. E. Ga. Ooh. Silent E. Eagle. Fur. A. Ga. Frog. Gull. O. Ba. Silent E. Globe. Ha. A. T. Hat. I. Gull. Ooh. Igloo. Ja. A. Jam. Ka. I. Ja. I. A. Ant. Giant. Ooh. A. Mp. I. Ook. A. St. A. X. Her. I. Z. Silent E. Qua. E. A. St. Swat. I. Tur. A. O. Sh. A. Pop. Up. V. A. St. U. Z. Silent E. Da. Used. Wa. A. And. X. A. Ya. A. Ka. Z. E. Brr. A. When two letters combine to make a new sound, they form a blend. Can you find the blend? When two words sound the same, they rhyme. Can you find the word that rhymes with ox? Sweet! Can you find the object that doesn't belong? Can you unscramble this word? R-A-F-T. Way to be in sync! Raft. Can you find a word that begins with the sound as in nest? Sweet! Can you find the missing letter in the word? Sprocket, can you help our friend? You bet I can! This is the right answer. A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. can you find the missing vowel in the word X-ray? A.
You're awesome!
A is the missing vowel. Can you find the missing vowels in the word globe?
Sweet!
O and E are the missing vowels. Can you spell the word? Let's play hangman.
I love this game!
Let's jam. Press a button. Press a button.